How to get $20 off Harvey's coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Harvey's coupon codes and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Open it. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Harvey. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, $20 off, 5% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you get the code, you can copy it, then you can click on visit Harveys. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your order and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Harveys. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out other website, as other website will also provide a working coupon code for Harveys. So this way you can easily get up to $20 off working coupon code for Harveys. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.